Hello guys! Today we are picking up stitches from the provisional cast-on we did previously using a scrap yarn and back loop cast-on method. This is one of those techniques that feels confusing once, then becomes second nature. Let's start. Take a good look at your cast-on edge. What you want to pick up is the loop that is continuing from the previously knitted row. If you notice stitches resting on the scrap yarn that are repeating, and you keep picking them up, that's totally what you want to do. Your picked up stitches will turn out looking good. Just keep in mind that when you use the back loop cast on method for provisional cast on, it might not look as tidy as when you go with the crochet chain method. Pick up stitches one at a time as you unravel the scrap yarn. And once every stitches are picked up on the needle, be sure to check the stitch count. Then you are good to go. In the future, if we need to pick up our work later using provisional cast on, I can show you how to do a crochet chain provisional cast on instead of the backward loop. This method is way simpler to undo and keeps your stitches looking nice and even. I wanted to stick with the technique that's the easiest to grasp and follow with this pattern. Not the easiest to unravel, but worth keeping in your toolkit.